So in today's video, we're going to talk about ways that you can get free items that you can flip for a profit. Some of these you may have heard before, but I promise you some of these ways are going to really help you open your eyes on how to get free product. So to start off, the most common way is to look at Facebook or Craigslist. You can go on here and there's even dedicated free sections to where you're able to find products that people just want to get rid of. And then you're able to go pick them up and then flip them for a profit. Sometimes you have to do small repairs, other times you could just sell it as is. But it's definitely worth looking for, and it's free, so it doesn't really hurt you that much. Our next way is dumpster diving, and you may be thinking that's kind of crazy, but there's someone on TikTok called the Dumpster Diving Mama, and she has over 3 million followers on her account, and she's making a lot of money, given that in her state it's legal to dumpster dive. So make sure you check that out before you go and do this. But she's made tens of thousands of dollars selling products that she's found in dumpsters. And these aren't just like throwaway products, but they're products that are still used, but the store doesn't want to take the time to clean them up or whatever. So the next way to do it is to use this method called reverse logistics. And there's apps out there that can make it easy for you called ShareTown. And I'm sure there's other apps that help you do this so that you're able to get products like new and sell it for a profit. So for this example, if you were to use ShareTown, you'd sign up with them as a reseller. And people are working with ShareTown that sell their product and say they're big, bulky, kind of like mattresses or furniture, and they don't want to take the time to bring it all the way back to their warehouse. So they'd contact you who has signed up through their app so that you can go pick up this return and sell it in your local market for a profit, and they would just take a dedicated amount. A good way to make a couple $100s per item that you sell. Sometimes you can even get to 1,000. It doesn't take much to get started. All you really need is a car and a place to store those items that you pick up, and then you sell it just on your local market within Facebook Marketplace and wherever other platforms. And people are making $3,000 to $4,000 a month while spending only about 10 hours a week working on this. So if you're a creative and artistic person, this next way may be the way for you to make money. Doing print on demand is a great way that you can sell your designs with no cost to you. So how it works is you put in the time to make the design to put onto a shirt, a mug, a pillow, whatever it may be. And you can use apps like Printful or Printify to where you're able to put those designs onto t-shirts, pillows, posters, mugs, a whole lot of different products. And then you can load those products onto Etsy to where you can sell it. So you're never buying the actual product, it's never touching your hands, but you only have to pay for those shirts or those other physical goods until someone else buys it on Etsy. So it's a great way to get your designs out into the world with little to no cost to you. So if you feel like you have a good knack for sales, consignment might be the way for you. So you can offer to sell other people's products, but you just take a small commission off the top of it. So let's say someone has a large collection that they're trying to get rid of, whether it be dolls, cards, you name it, and you can put it up on eBay or have a consignment sale event. You know the price that people are willing to pay, you're able to get those items in front of the right people, you sell it to them, and you get a small percentage, kind of like a commission. So it's kind of like you're getting commission off the sales that you're making, and these commissions can range from 20 to 30, 40%. So if you have a lot of friends that are in the real estate business, estate auctions and estate sales may be the route for you. So this is a great route if you don't have anything to sell or you can't find anything, but you reach out to these realtors who are trying to clean up these houses to stage them so they can sell them. They need to get rid of all these things. So if you're able to hold these estate sales and get an audience to these sales, you can make a deal to where you're getting 25% of everything that sells. And there's even ways where you can do these sales online, but you do have to pay for some platforms to use it. So if you're able to do it within your local market, that's more money in your pocket at the end. So this next way to get items for free so that you can make a profit is being the middleman. So one way that people have done it is being a pallet flipper. So you're collecting pallets from stores that get daily shipments or even weekly shipments. They don't want to deal with them. So you pick up these pallets and then you sell them off on Facebook Marketplace to other businesses who need them for a profit. So some businesses may give them to you for free because they just want it off their hands and not worry about it, and some other businesses may charge you just a small price. But you'll be able to charge a higher amount just on Facebook Marketplace or wherever you're selling them. Next is dropshipping, and it's very similar to print on demand as to where you're selling products straight from the manufacturer. So you're acting as a middleman and you're not being the big box store. Essentially, you're promoting this product from the manufacturer to the end consumer. So the deal that you have in place is that you don't pay for any products until an item is sold. So if someone comes to you, you're able to sell them the product and then you place the order with the manufacturer to where they ship it directly to the customer. So your hands are never physically touching that product and you're not having to hold anything. So these are just some ways that you can make money with free items that are in your local market. If you want to find other ways on how to make money, watch this video over here.